How to show capital letters on iPhone or iPad keyboard. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to show capital letters on iPhone or iPad keyboard. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can adjust the on-screen software keyboard on iPad. If you use an external hardware keyboard with iPad, you can customize keyboard shortcuts and change settings such as the key repeat rate. If you have difficulty seeing the on-screen keyboard, you can set it to display only uppercase letters. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the accessibility option. And further, under physical and motor, go ahead and tap on the keyboards option. In the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle off the button for show lowercase keys. This affects keyboards that use the shift key to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters. So this is how you show capital letters on iPhone or iPad keyboard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.